The storm is happening. Everybody. Winter storm Toby. Cancel. Oh wait, so whenever I click on that. Oh, that's good. There we go. So, it's happening, and we still don't have winter storm warnings. I don't really because we're gonna get a lot of snow. We're gonna get probably above a foot or a foot, 5 to 8 inches, 3 to 5 inches tonight, 5 to 8 inches again, and accumulations less than 1 inch. But still, that is 2, so 8 plus 8 equals 16. And plus 3 to 5 again, that's going to be over 20. So guys, crazy now. I do not think they're going to get as much snow as us. I don't think it's true. We are definitely going to be getting more snow than them. But if you want to see what the HR models are showing, I'm going to show you this because they're very accurate. This is it right now, and it's going to move out, start to drop snow, then we meet with it, and it drops more. So, it's look at the snowfall totals. Still sticking to the same thing. So the other low is going to drop. Like, the snow kind of rhymed. Wow, guys, look at it. Look at these snow totals possible. Hold up. Okay. This model would not agree sometimes. So, holy God, look at so it hits, it just starts to, look at that. So this is the low that isn't Winter Storm Toby. This is the first one. We get stuck in sleet. Switches over very fast. Very heavy snow melt. Look at this. We're gonna get possibly 18 inches of snow. So look.
They've upped the snow totals, but it's not gonna be 18.
Yes, it is. Look at this. Look at the heavy snow. See that?
I know, I see it, Daniel.
Very heavy snow totals. So, guys, it's the update. The storm is happening. Just look at these snow totals again. 22 inches of snow. That is a lot. So if we go to mesoscale models, we go to the HR model. Is this the one with the cutoff or not? Oh yeah, this is the one that just shows the beginning. So let's run through it. I think it's accurate, just it does that a little overdone with the snow pushing in. I think it pushes in too early. But the snow is happening. And you can see, Oh my god, stop. It always does that. And it's gonna cause snow, good bits of snow for both areas. Look at that. Still, we're getting a lot of snow, 17 inches. I want to see if the GFS or the CM models have changed. And anyway, no, they haven't. GFS model. 8 inches for us, but the Weather Channel even gives us more. So, it's torn between... Oh, it's raining? Let me see. Where we live, I live in this area, right around here. Well, I might be wrong, but this looks like it's cleared. Is it snowing? Nope, still ice pelleting. So, I live around here. Look about if you move up. But areas that they even think, like over here, they're not getting as much snow totals, guys. So bye. I'm going to update you in an actual video, and it's bad quality. But I'm going to update you about the storm when it's happening at the height on Wednesday.